Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new link to your Linktree account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the links button down below, which is the first option, and then click on this purple button in the middle of the screen, add new link. Then you should enter the URL, or you can also copy it from clipboard. Then you should share your content such as music, video, header, YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, and so on. So if you tap on the relevant one, you will be directed to the relevant page. You can also make and collect money, such as via the tip jar, requests, Spring, GoFundMe, bands in town options. You can also grow your following by the contact form, Cameo, community, Gleam, and Reddit applications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.